Question: what is umthakathi? Umthakathi is someone who is capable of flying with no aeroplane and become invisible at night. At Clientele Bhece, we do value those skills. That is why we have umthakathi cover to cover a wish in everything they need.
Umshayelo futhi yafana nemoto, yafana isanitizer, yafana nesihlalo. So bese ngiqala ukubona umshayelo ereaction yakho into oyiqala icabanga umndisi.
At Clientele Bhece, we offer strong and fast brooms to travel with if you are a wish. They are faster than a Lamborghini. They are faster than a Ferrari. And if you are a member at Clientele Bhece, you will get a free toboloshi and a well-trained baboon. And we also have a Clientele Bhece app. Our app is a fiction which is called Thunderstorm. Ayabo bafethu kulula ukusebenzisa iClientele Bhece app. Yabo uma ufuna ukushaya umuntu ngezulu, uma niciphaze uThunderstorm. Mase u-upload isitombe sakhe la kule app. Mase usho isikhathi ufuna limshaye ngaso. Mase udonsa upepcorn. Ubukela uThixo enza umsebenzi wakhe.
Ngabe uzizwa unekhono mhlambe lokuthakathi noma uyathanda ukubadatha ngezulu noma unomona. Simple. Join Clientele Bhece. SMS umona to the number below. Or WhatsApp umthakathi to the number below. Call him back.
Lento yomona yaqala ngangeziplatform. Njalo makudlala ukhetho omthandayo babehlezi bekhetha umngane wami engangikhethi. Njengamanje ngise-University of Limpopo ngenza i-Archaeology. Ngispecialize kakhulu lapha kwi-engineering. Njengoba ngilapha e-University of Limpopo ngifundwa i-Clientele Bhece ibhasari yakhona ukuze kube umthakathi ostrong.
Ngawa isekheshini phecelezi ngigibela umshanelo yabo. So ngabanjwa ke ekubanjeni kwami kanti ngelakhi ngoba ngangijoyine Clientele Bhece. So Clientele Bhece ungisize kakhulu enkantolo. Ungisizile ngihamba lelo cala up until ngaze ngaliwina icala.
Join Clientele Bhece now and we will cover you in court. Yes, if it happens that you are going to Thakathi and they catch you, we'll fight for you in court. You are not a wish. You are utilizing your talents. Why do they want to kill you? Clientele Bhece will come and save you. Yes, please don't forget to subscribe on the channel and click the notification bar. And if not, you might witness a thunderstorm tonight.